Hello everyone. Start off by taking a comb, take the bangs portion of the hair and then take only the center portion. Pull the comb through it and then cut it in this opposite V shape. As for the sides, frame it around the face and then chop it at the bottom, a little below the chin. Now starting from the bangs, move sideways, then draw it and then cut it till the end. Make sure that the cut is slant as such. Then take the scissors and then vertically cut through the hair as such. Do the same for the sides as well and then go through the hair on the right side as well. This will add layers to it. Now take a chopstick and then burn the central portion of it as such. Take the center portion of the hair, pull a comb through it, then put the hair between the chopsticks and then slowly begin to curve it just a little bit. This will add a little bit of fluff to the front portion of the hair. It'll sit well. Now do the same for the sides as well. Instead of putting it in between it, curl it around it as such. This will add a cute little curl. Do the same on the other side. Gather it together once you are done and arrange it in place. Next, start off by taking the central portion of the hair, that is the middle part of the bangs, and then cut it right below the eyebrow level. Do the same for the sides as well, and then make sure that the sides are a little longer than the center. Now, vertically cut through the hair as such to make it look a little messy. Then add a hair stick through it and then curl it around the hair stick. Then use a hair straightener in order to set it in place. Do this all over the hair in the front, then comb it into place. Take the central portion of the hair, pull a comb through it and then cut it right at eye level. Now take the side portion of the bangs and then evenly measure it on either side by using the comb and cut it at that level, that is the chin level. Now take a hair straightener and then slightly curve it so that it adds a little bit of fluff on either side. Make sure that it frames the face well. Now take two strands from the center and then cut it at the level of the lips. As for the rest of the hair that is on the side, cut it as per the chin level. Now take the hair on the left side first and then begin to diagonally cut through it accordingly. After you have diagonally cut the hair, vertically begin to cut it using the scissors. Now take a round brush comb and then put the middle part of the hair through it and then use the blow dryer in order to make it stay in place and shape it. Then take the hair straightener for the bottom and frame the hair around the face. Next, take the front bangs portion of the hair, twist the sides and then taking the center, pull a comb through the center. Then cut it right at eye level. Begin to vertically cut through it as well. Once you are done with the central portion, move on to the sides, unwind it and then begin to diagonally cut it. Vertically cut it once you are done with diagonally cutting it. Make sure that it frames the face and matches the other side as well. After you are done with this, slightly join the hair together, take a hair straightener and then straighten the central portion of it and add a little bit of a curve towards the end. As for the side, add some curls to it to add more volume and then frame the face better. Join the top bangs portion that is in the center to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.